Hey guys, welcome back. Policy 707 coming at you with another video. In this episode, guys, we're going to be doing a new comic book day haul, showcase, and also wait for the end because we're going to do an unboxing as well. So just kick things off, as I always say. So yesterday, Wednesday, a new comic book day, Amazing Spider-Man 797 came out. Basically, this is a big, highly anticipated book. It leads into the Red Goblin. So it was rumored that this was going to be their first appearance. So, you know, I mean, it may be hyped or whatever you want to say, but I mean, you know, who doesn't want a first appearance of a key character, you know, of a villain? So I don't want to spoil it for you guys who haven't really read about this issue or read what's going on with Red Goblin. So I'm going to leave it up for you guys to buy the issue yourself, but. So this is our, not to say that this is just my haul, this is actually both my brother and I's haul. So we both, teamed up together. We actually went to several comic shops here, our local comic shops here in the Bay Area. And we actually are limited. You know, we actually had to travel outside of where we live to try to hit up the local comic shops. So we have not only one, we have two, we have three, and we have four. This is the regular Alex Ross cover. And let's just do 5. Why not? 5 for to be on the safe side. Also, we have the Humberto Ramos cover B. So this Alex Ross is cover A. Humberto Ramos is cover B. So we have 2 of those as well. And I also picked this one up from another comic shop that it puts on hold for me. This is also Amazing Spider-Man 797, the Virgin cover. It's also known as the Young Guns variant. This is listed at $50, but I didn't pay that price, guys. Come on, man. That's overpriced. But it's usually going around anywhere from $30, $35, $40 on eBay. But he hooked me up. Give me 30 cents. So that actually, this cost me $35. I mean, I thought it was fair price because right now on eBay it's like $30 with shipping is like $35, $36, $40. So, and it just came out yesterday. So there's the Young Guns Virgin variant. And also what came out this week too are True Believers Venom vs. Spider-Man that reprints Amazing Spider-Man 300, which I remember getting off a spinner rack back in the day when it first came out. So we have 2 there. Also picked up another one here. And then he also had at our shop Venom Simius. So this reprints of Spider-Man #1, that Charles Vest cover that he's famous for. Love that cover. I hope to meet Charles Vest someday at a future con. He's definitely on my bucket list to get a sketch from. I would have him do an homage with that famous cover that he had. So also what came out this week, guys, is the new Robert Kirkman book, Oblivion Song. So, and this is my brother's pickup, the East to West Virgin cover of East to West number 36. Really cool cover. I really dig it. And we've gotten to know Nick Dragata pretty well. We've seen him, his past public signing appearances, also at shows. So we have actually developed, my brother and I developed a pretty good relationship with Nick Dragata, so we always definitely support his book. And we go to all his events that he does locally here in the Bay Area. I also picked up, this is my pick. I'm late to the show on this one. I got the variant cover for number 14, F Fairyland. This is the variant one that uses the F word in the cover. So I got a few of those. And I also got number 17. And why did I randomly get this? I mean, I thought it was cool. I thought they were fun and I don't have those issues, so. And not only did we pick up some books, guys, you know your boys, Paulie C, and his brother. We gotta get some blanks too. So it's actually the first time I got this blank. Star Trek Boldly Go. His brother picked up one as well. He also was lucky enough to get a Old Man Hawkeye. Lucky guy. I don't have this one yet. And he has to pick this one up. Peter Parker Spectacular Spider-Man, number 300. And this is what's cool for him is he didn't have this prior to show or prior to yesterday, so you're able to get that. And then here, I picked up these. I mean, I have a couple in my collection already, but you can never have enough Star Wars blanks, in my opinion, let alone a Poe Dameron set. I think this is like number 5 in my collection. And as I mentioned, guys, there's going to be an unboxing, which we're going to do live for you right now. So we just got this package in. Just came in a couple days ago. Just wanted to wait to show you guys. So we're going to do a live unboxing now as we speak. I love the mailer that they sent it in. Kudos to the seller. Did a wonderful job, not only shipping it, but packaging it as well. So as you can see, some bubble wrap. So what do you guys think we got here? Is it a cute book? Is it a variant cover? What do you guys think before I reveal it? Any ideas? Okay, well, you know, your boy Policy, he loves his, well, he loves the slabs, he loves his comics. Let me get this out without causing any damage. Sorry if I'm going to take it off camera for a second. I just don't want to rush it. Very cautious when it comes to the live unboxing. I don't want you guys to wait long, but at the same time, I don't want to damage the book too. So I'm going to try to be as careful as possible and quickly as possible. So as I take off the remaining pieces of bubble wrap, and what's cool is also sandwiched between 2 thick pieces of acid-free backing boards, which is a nice little added layer of protection, which is definitely cool. We always appreciate that. And if I can get through it without causing any damage, I'm gonna go ahead and so anyway, guys, I just recently saw Black Panther today. I know it's like, wow, that's been out for several weeks now, but yeah, I've been so busy working, and every time I had previously planned to see the movie, something always came up where I wasn't able to see it. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to finally reveal what it is. It is a Rogue and Gambit #1 blank. This one here is my brother's. Lucky guy, he found this one online, and both him and I were late to the party on this one. Otherwise, we would have definitely picked it up some on our LCS. But you know, better late than never, right, guys? So anyway, I'll show it for you guys here. So there you guys have it. That is our haul, and we're sticking to it. This is Policy 707 signing off, and we'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Take care.